The benefits of the eye contact. Hi everybody, it's me Henry and welcome to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you'll be the first one to receive the notifications once I have the latest video. Just like today, and we're going to talk about the benefits of the eye contact. That everybody know eye contact is important, and today we're going to talk in a little bit deeper on the eye contact. That since everybody knows the visual sense is the most dominant for people, and eye contact, it is playing very important part in the non-verbal communication. Have you ever heard of love at the first sight? For the first time. Now today we're not going to talk about the love. Then we're going to talk something related to the eye contact, one-to-one.
Sell me this pen.
Or one-to-many. Today, the eye contact, we're going to detail into the public speaking, in the speech, on your presentation. Now, as a speaker on the stage, the eye contact is the one that you can build the relationship with the audience. Whether or not they like you or pay attention to you, the eye contact, you will know. So let's start with the first benefit of the eye contact. Let's go to the basic, which is you can establish the connection with your audience. That's the basic. When you come to the stage, the first thing is look at your audience, say hi to your audience. That is the moment you build the rapport, you build a connection with the audience by looking at your audience.
Thank you. That's a lot of young.
So that your audience will look at you. This is a two-way communication. The eye contact. And when you pay attention to your audience, at the same time your audience will pay attention to you, and that is the moment how you build your connection with the audience. Only you have the connection, then you can proceed to the next step, whether you want them to do something, you want to engage them with some activities. So this is the first step, how you invite your audience to your topic with the eye contact. Not only you have the voice projection, you have the right script, you have the right intonation, you have the right of everything, but eye contact, it is a non-verbal communication. That is the moment you look at them and you are in charge. That we are moving into the next benefit, that you can project your authority and confidence. It is very important when you come on the stage with the confidence, with the voice, with the eye contact, then you can project the authority that I am in charge. I'm here in charge. But mind you, the in charge does not mean you are arrogant, you are ego. You're in charge is you're the expert of this topic. You are on the stage. I'm talking to this topic and I have all the details. I have the good information. So most of the time you can see this condition. Have you ever seen the BMW, the latest launch with a speaker on stage, that he is the one that on the stage. He is in charge. He has the authority and the confidence, and that is the example. With the eye contact, I look at my audience and stand up straight, confident. I build the authority. I'm in charge. This is my stage, and I'm going to introduce to you the latest model of BMW. And that is the moment you can see with the confidence on the stage. And we're moving to the next benefit, which is the third one. And once you have the confidence, then you can do the next step, which is you can persuade your audience to do something. That is something, it could be some action you want to take, products to buy, or awareness, or something you want them to do. Then only can persuade your audience when you have the confidence. Now mind you, your audience will not confident at you before you confident to yourself. This is how you build your confidence. When you have the confidence on certain thing, on certain product, then only your audience will start to believe in you, will start to believe in your idea or your thoughts. Then only they can buy your products, service, or idea. This is how you can persuade your audience with the eye contact, with the conviction, the eye contact, that you are so confident on your product. And then I got so influenced by your confidence, assuming you have the right product. And not only the first three benefits that you can build the connection, that you can project the authority, confidence, and you can persuade your audience to do something. And the fourth benefit, in my opinion, that you can always do the check and balance. What does that mean, check and balance with the eye contact? You have your eyes to look at your audience, their response, whether or not they like you or are they really paying attention at you. From the response, you will know if they are really paying attention at you, that you can project even more engagement with their audience. They like your ideas, then you can give more examples to your audience. But if they are not paying attention at you, then you can do the quick response and how to catch their attention back again on you or your products or your slides. Back to you, to your topics. And you can correct this during your presentation, but not after your speech. If after your speech everything is too late, so you can correct the condition with the eye contact, instant response, instant check and balance. Then moving to the fifth benefits, that in my opinion, you can make engagement with your eye contact. What does that mean? So when you have the check and balance, if they like the way how you present, then your eye contact, look into their eyes or look into your audience, you will know if they like you, they will give you response, and you can give some engagement activity so that you can make your audience will participate even more in the sufficient level. So that is the fifth benefits of the eye contact. And I hope you find the values for the benefits of the eye contact in this video. If you like this video, please consider to hit the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you'll be the first one to receive the notifications once I have the latest video. I hope to see you in the next video.